I'll show you how to change a water filter in the A.O. Smith system. So first of all, turn your water off. I've already done that, but so this way, this direction of the handle means it's on. Flip it to that way and it means it's off. There's a little button up here on this system. You press this button, it releases some water pressure out of the system. I got a bucket underneath. Let's release that water. Let the water drip out. That's pretty much it. Got a handy little tool here, comes with the system. Put it up underneath and turn it to the left. Just like this. Let the water drip out. I like to just do it that much. Get rid of the tool then. Let the water drip. Then you can just jump straight in, turn it all the way out, holding onto it, don't let it drop because it'll just drop straight out of there. Keep turning. Nearly there. Nice. Get your bucket, pour it out. Discard the old one. Get your new filter. This one's a carbon filter. Stick it up like that. And then just turn it back on there. You can also put a little bit of petroleum jelly on this, I think, or some sort of lubricant. We got our thread. Keep turning. Get it nice and tight. Take your little tool. You don't need to over tighten this. Give it a good crank. There you go. Turn your water back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.